Kwaga kuhuthirwo kwa andu mari na ukinyaniru wa waki nikuo gucungireirie kumomoka kwa nyumba ino ya gorofa 5 iria irathiaga nambere na gwakwo. Ni riboti irekereirio ni ruhonge rwa waki na uthurimi wa manyumba NTA kiama kia mainjinia guku bururi-ini oro undu umwe na maabitha kuma thirikari-ini ya kaunti ya Kiambu.
The team has produced the preliminary report which is indicating that the building has totally collapsed. The columns have given in, and what is holding it now is just because it's leaning on the next building. Otherwise, the building is, if there was no other building, it would be totally down.
Makiariria andiki a mohoro icera-ini riao nyumba-ini ino itura-ini ria Regeni maugite mihango ya uria nyumba ino ikumomorwo ni yambikitwo na kuongerera matikwamba kumomora nyumba iria igwirirwo nginya uthuthuria wayo urikirire.
So we expect the work of removal of the debris to go very, very smoothly.
Na kuona ati nyumba ya mbere kana ya keri kugwa kaunti-ini ya Kiambu kwa ihinda ria mieri 9, honge ici ni ciagite gucokia ciuria cia kana kuri na andu matacukirio makinya hari nyumba iria imomokete na no ugukorwo ugikuithio murigo wa kumomoka kwa nyumba ino kuona kuri na maabitha marari na wigiririki wa guthurima waki wayo.
We have so far, since incidents of collapsing buildings occurred, done in the last 2 years 23 inquiries, successfully concluded, action taken. Only that, as Madam CC says, we don't have a forum to indicate what the findings are.
Our plea and our appeal to the public is to make sure that involve engineer not only just during the design but also during construction supervision.
Kiria gitigarite riu ni mihango ya kumomorwo kwa nyumba ino iria itanyitwo kwambiriria muthenya wa rucio. Kameme TV githie na mbere na gukuguriria maria maregariura kaunti-ini ya Kiambu njitagwo Wanjiku wa Wanjiku.